In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font size in Microsoft PowerPoint on Windows. If you often find yourself resizing text on every slide, this simple change will save you time and keep your presentations consistent from start to finish. Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can use an existing presentation if you want the new setting to align with a current project, or start fresh with a brand new file. Either way works, and the process is exactly the same. With your presentation open, click on any text box on a slide. This helps you see the current font size in use and gives you a quick snapshot of how your text is styled right now. It's especially helpful if the presentation was created by someone else, since themes and fonts can vary between files. Next, head to the Home tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. In the Font section of the ribbon, look for the small diagonal arrow in the corner. This is the dialog launcher. Click it to open the full font settings window. Think of this window as your central control panel for text formatting, where you can make changes that are more precise than the quick options on the ribbon. When the font settings window appears, look for an option labeled plus head. This setting is commonly used for titles and headings, and it plays a big role in establishing the default style your slides will follow. Selecting it tells PowerPoint which text style you want to standardize. Now, adjust the font size to the value you want to use as your default. Choose a size that's clear, readable, and consistent with the overall look you want. Consider where your slides will be shown, on a projector, a large display, or a laptop screen, and pick a size that will work in most scenarios so you don't have to tweak it later. Consistency here helps your slides look polished and professional. Once you're happy with the size, click OK to confirm. Your change is saved. From this point forward, when you create a new presentation, PowerPoint will follow the default font size you just set. Keep in mind that existing text may not update automatically, depending on the theme and formatting applied, but your new work will start with the right size already in place. And that's it. A small adjustment that makes a big difference in speed and consistency. Thanks for watching and happy presenting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new tip.